Today I want to show how to create beautiful photos and videos using text. Dear viewers, before we start, I want to express my dedication to creating useful content for you. If you enjoy the video or find it helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And let's get started. Add the text to the timeline. Select the phone. To duplicate the text, right-click, select copy, then paste. In this way, we'll write several words with different sizes and place them in one row. Now, to expedite our work, select all text, right-click, and click on Create Compound Clip. Also, copy and fill in a working window. Now, export our work in PNG format, and it will be automatically added to our library. Clear the timeline, then add the video to the timeline, and on the top add our PNG image. Choose multiply at the top right. And our video is ready. Dear viewers, 96% of you watch our content but haven't subscribed. Our aim is 1000 subscribers. If you like the video, please subscribe. Your support inspires us to create better content. Thank you everyone who watched till the end.